It's Deepavali again, the festival of joy and lights. But as a chest physician, I feel sad. Yet again, thousands of people are going to flock the hospitals. Some of them will lose their lives. Young people, elderly people, people with other diseases, people with respiratory problems, all suffer because of the firecrackers that we burst, the smoke that we generate. Trust me, it is not an exaggeration that the firecracker smoke is the single most important factor at this time of the year, which makes people suffer. Let us take a pledge yet again and spread real happiness in our community by not bursting firecrackers and granting people their health. Please spread the word around you. Encourage others to not burst firecrackers. Let us save our community and have a better future for our children.